Hello friends, this is Laravel chat application tutorial series. And in this part, we will learn how to download and install Ratchet Websocket library in Laravel 9 application. In Laravel chat application, we will use Ratchet Websocket library. So by using WebSocket, we can send and receive message in real time. So for this, in this part, we will show you how can we add Ratchet WebSocket library in Laravel 9 application. Now let's start discussing this topic. So for download Ratchet WebSockets library, we have goes to command prompt and goes into directory in which we have make this chat application. And after this, we have to run this command. So this command will start downloading Ratchet WebSocket library in our Laravel application. It will take some time for download Ratchet WebSocket library. Once library has been installed, so now we can go with creating WebSocket server script, which will be running in the background and waiting for management connection. Now we want to setting up WebSocket server with artisan, so we have goes to command prompt. And here, we have run this command, so this command will setting up WebSocket server. So after run this command, here we can see that WebSocket server file has been created under console directory. Now we have to open this file, and under this file, we have to include Ratchet library class name. So first, we have to include WebSocket library IO server class. After this, we have to include WebSocket library HTTP server class. Next we have to include WebSocket library WebSocket server class. And lastly, we have to include WebSocket library factory class. So after including this class file, now we want to create controller for handle WebSocket request. So we have goes to command prompt and run this command. So this command will create socket controller class in controller directory. So here in text editor, we can see that socket controller class file has been created, so we have opened it. Now under this file, we have to include Ratchet WebSocket library class. So here first, we have to include WebSocket message connection interface class. And after this, we have include WebSocket connection interface class. After this, we have include user model class for user table database operation. And after this, we have include chat model class for chat table database operation. And for chat request table database operation, here we have to include chat request model class. And lastly, we have to include Laravel auth library class. After this, here we have to write implement statement with message component interface class. Now under this class, we have to create protected $clients variable. After this, we have to create construct magic function, so this function will be called when object of this class has been created. Under this function, we have to write $this clients variable is equal to new statement with SPL object storage class. It will store connection id under this variable. After this, under this file, we have to create onOpen function with argument connection interface with $connect variable. So this function will called when new connection request has been received. Under this function, we have to write $this clients variable with attach method, and under this method, we have to write $connect variable. So it will add new connection data under this clients variable. After this, we have to create onMessage method with arguments like connection interface $connect variable and $message variable. This function will be called when message has been sent. Next, we have to create onClose method and under argument. we have to write connection interface with $connect variable. This function will be called when WebSocket connection has been close. And under this function, we have to write $with clients variable with detach method, and under this method, we have to write $connect variable. So it will disconnect connection from WebSocket. After this, we have create on error method with argument like connection interface $connect variable and /exception $event variable. This function will be called if any error has been occur. Now for display error, here we have to write echo statement with message like an error has been occurred. And after this, we have to write $event variable with get message function. And below this, we have to write $connect variable with close method. So this code will close WebSocket connection. So here, our WebSocket controller class is ready. Now we have goes to WebSocket server.php file. And here, we have to include socket controller class under this file. Now we have goes into handle function, which will execute console command. Here we have to comment this code, and here, we have to set up server. So here, we have to write $server variable is equal to IO server class with factory method, and under this method, we have to write new HTTP server class object with 2 argument, and in first argument, we have to create new WebSocket server class object, and under this, we have to create object of socket controller class, and in second argument, we have to write port number 8090, so on this port number, this WebSocket application will run. After this, we want to write $server variable with run method. So it will start WebSocket server, so here our file is ready. Now we want to check our WebSocket server is working or not. So we have to open dashboard.blade.php file, because under this file, we will make chat application. And under this file JavaScript area, we have to write connect variable is equal to new WebSocket object, and under this, we have to write WebSocket /localhost : port number 8090. So it will try to create WebSocket connection under this file. Now we want to check connection is open or not, so here we have to write connect variable on open function. So this function will be called when new WebSocket connection has been opened. And under this function, we have to write console log with message like connection established. So this message will be displayed after WebSocket connection has been opened. After this, we have to write connect.on message function. So this function will be called when message receive event has been occurs. So here our code is ready. Now we have to check output in the browser. So first we want to start WebSocket server and Laravel server. So here we have opened 2 command prompt application. And first we have to start Laravel server by run this command. So here, we can see that Laravel server has been started. And after this, for start WebSocket server, we have to run this command. And here also, we can see that WebSocket server has been started. Now in the browser, we can see login page, so here we have to enter user email and password details. And after this, we have to click on the login button. After click on the login button, here we can see that chat application dashboard page has been loaded in the browser. Now we have goes into inspect element window, and here we have goes into console tag, and here we can see that Connection established message has been displayed. That means here, our chat application has been connected with WebSocket. So this way, we can download and implement Ratchet Websocket library. Under this Laravel 9 application, so under this part, we have download and install Ratchet Websocket library. And from next part, we will start making chat application, and first, we will show you how to store WebSocket connection in Mysql database when user has been connect to WebSocket. And how to remove connection from database when user has been leave from WebSocket. So these things we will learn in next part, so we will be meet in next part.